Hi viewers, welcome to Briksham channel. Learn mathematics easily. Here we are going to solve the question. Find the set of values of constant k for which the line y equal to 2x plus k meets the curve y equal to 1 plus 2kx minus x square at two distinct points. So now a line equation, that is y equal to 2x plus k, and the equation of a curve is given as 1 plus 2kx minus x square. These are all given. We have to find the set of values of the constant k. Here it is given the line and the curve are intersecting at 2 points, hence the discriminant b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Now first we will equate these two. So we may get 1 plus 2kx minus x square equal to 2x plus k. So 1 plus 2kx minus x square minus 2x minus k equal to 0 implies minus x square plus 2k minus 2 times x plus 1 minus k equal to 0. Now this one can be multiplied by a minus sign. So this one can be written as x square minus 2 times 1 minus k plus 2 times 1 minus k multiplied by x plus k minus 1 equal to 0. Now or otherwise we can write it as minus of k minus 1. Now consider the discriminant b square minus 4ac. So which is minus of k minus 1 the whole power 2 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by k minus 1 equal to 0, which implies k minus 1 the whole square minus 4 times k minus 1 is greater than 0. So which implies k square minus, okay, we can take one term k minus 1 outside. So which implies k minus 1 times k minus 1 minus 4 greater than 0 implies k minus 1 times k minus 5 is greater than 0. So we can have the critical values as, so critical values here are 1 and 5, and we can have k less than 1 and k greater than 5. This is the range of k, that is below 1 and above 5. I hope you can able to follow. I request the viewers to kindly subscribe the channel. The link is given in the description box. If you are comfortable, kindly like, subscribe and press the bell button for further notifications. Thank you.